Here's a 1955 Buick Super Convertible. 322 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at all the chrome on the front of this car. Bright work chrome, nice shape. Red on white combination. And then remember, this will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. There'll be close-up shots of those Kelsey Hayes spoke wheels with the wide white wall radials. You also notice the curb feeler up front there. Of course, the 4-holer. What Super and Roadmaster for my Buick experts out there, due to wheelbase, I believe is what distinguished that. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. Great looking color combination with the white and the red, and you can see the bright work also up and down the passenger side in nice shape. Deep red interior, bench seat up front, of course. This would have a power top also, and at the end of the video here we're going to put up the power top, check out the condition of that. But first, we want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Some things that are going to go with this car cover. Looks like a few extra cleaning towels, a couple spare belts, fire extinguisher, and then a couple cans of the paint for touch-up and or for getting the paint code of the correct white and red used on this car. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. You'll be able to see still pictures of the trunk. Very nice shape also, what you'd expect by looking at the rest of this car. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look down the driver's side. Take a peek at the bright work and paint. Also shows well on the driver's side. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Definitely won't come across a lot of these. Parade boot or convertible top cover. Fits nicely, in nice shape, matches the interior. Let's take a little closer look at this rear seat. You can see seat belts intact. Seats free of rips, tears, holes. Door panel. Power window switches. Also power seat switch down here. And seat free of rips, tears, holes. Also a power antenna. I want to show you a couple things on this. There is a power antenna here. And the Selectronic radio, which would be kind of like a scan, I guess, if you will. You're going to notice 2 buttons down here in the floor. You have the one where it's high beam, low beam, and then the one to the right of that, which is this one right here, is going to be for that Selectronic radio, so you can search the station without taking your hands off the wheel. You tap that button on the floor, and that is actually working on this car. Speaking of on the floor, let's go ahead and I want to show you this. We're going to turn this key to on, and as far as starting it, push the gas pedal. That engages the starter. I mentioned the power antenna. You can see that right there. The power antenna motor is working, and that switch is right down there. Also, it have the speedometer where it's going to twist and turn out. And that is working. So it's not really a needle, it's like a tubular. Buick experts give me the exact name for that, but the indicator is going to go out and go back depending on the speed that you are doing. If I remember right, it may change colors depending on if you're going too fast or if you're going the right speed. How they set it up inside there. That I'm not positive of. Going off some memory. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Guess as you'd expect a 1955 Buick to sound. Nothing crazy over the top exhaust wise. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second. Let's get this hood open. Let's check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. Alright, get a look at the underside of the hood. There it is. Buick V8. There's a battery disconnect here too for if it's in storage or maybe in between drives. Of course, power steering up on the top. 322 V8. Pretty stock original looking engine bay. A few things have been modified to overflow here. But overall, cool old looking engine bay. Running smooth. Alright. We're going to go ahead and close that hood up. We'll get this convertible top up. Again, power convertible top. Working order, check that out. And then there'll be a little driving video. We'll wrap this up. And here it is with the top up. So white vinyl top. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Notice that when I was latching it. Rolled up the power side windows. So you can see that those work. We also get an idea how they fit. That convertible top. I haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes. We'll walk all the way around it here. Went up nice and smooth. Clear rear window. And free rips, tears, or holes in the passenger side over here. So white vinyl top, nice shape. See how the windows fit again on the passenger side, and power windows, they're in working order. Cool. Be a fun one. 1955 Buick Super 55 Buick Super convertible. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1955 Buick Super. This car is a convertible and we do have the top down today. Wasn't able to raise the station on the Selectronic radio, however it does power up. Both our turn signal indicators do function. This car is an automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. Very good condition car. Starts up and idles nicely right away. Good condition interior and paint. Oil pressure is 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Our amp meter is a little over half. The temperature is about 1/8 of the gauge. That's all looking good. Fuel gauge also working, reading a little over half of the tank. It says that awesome speedometer that looks like mercury filling a thermometer. Cool styles, so many cool styles. Levers that look like they're from planes. Comfortable factory looking bench seat in this car. Power windows. Factory horn is working. If I let go of the steering wheel when we're going down the road, it stays right where you put it. No pull to either direction. Brakes are working well. That luxurious 1955 Buick ride. absorbs the road very well. No problem in the corners. And the transmission does kick down when you floor it. Don't see that many Buicks as opposed to Chevys, and this one is a very nice combo of red and black in very good condition. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.